So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Facebook app on iPhone. So first of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now here, tap on this icon on the top right corner. Now make sure Apple ID is logged in on your iPhone. You will need Apple ID to install the apps from the App Store. Once you log in to your Apple account, tap on Done. After this, tap on the search option. Now here search for Facebook. To install Facebook on your iPhone, tap on this icon next to Facebook. And now this will start installing the Facebook app. Now once the app is installed, tap on Open to launch it. Now this will launch the Facebook app. Now you can log into your account and start using Facebook. So this is how you can install Facebook app on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.